everyone. In this video I will show you how to use PhotoRoom app. It is mainly used for remove backgrounds, edit photos, and create clean images for social media. So after opening the app, tap on start from photo. Select a photo from your gallery. The app will automatically remove the background in few seconds. After that, the app gives you the backgrounds and clean photos. You can use one and adjust it, like add a background using AI. Write what you want and he gives you a professional background. By tapping on marketing, the app generates many photos. You can use them for social media like TikTok or for your Shopify store. Also, it gives you many size to use them on different apps. And it gives you a profile picture with your product and backgrounds with vibrant colors like this, but you can adjust it. And that's it. Follow for more PhotoRoom tutorials. Thank you.